Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video, we will see the solution of exercise 2.1 of class 6th. So its question number first is write the three natural numbers after 10,999. Okay, it means that we have to write after number, just after number. So we have given number. Okay, simply you can see given number is 10,999. Okay, so it's three after numbers are. Its three after numbers are. Simply what we will do, we know after number can be taken when we add 1 into it. Okay, so when we add 10,999 plus 1, on that time 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, and 1 plus 0 1, and this one will comes as it is. So the first after number 10,999 is 11,000. Okay, now this one is the first one. Okay, after 11,000 we have what we have 11,000 plus 1. So 1 plus 0 1, double 0 as it is, and double 1 here. So after 11,000 what we have 11,001. And you know next time when we add 11,001 with 1, on that time we will get 11,002. So the three after numbers after 10,999 are 11,000, 11,001, 11,002. Question number 2 is write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. Okay, what question said? We have to identify three whole numbers but just before 10,001. So you can simply see we have given number. The number which is given by question is 10,001. What we are identifying? We are identifying its before number. Okay, so it's three before numbers are. Now before number, it means just before the previous one. So how can we get previous one? When we subtract 1 from the given number. So 10,001 when subtract 1 will gives us 10,000. So the first value which is just come before 10,001 is 10,000. Now we have to identify three numbers. Now next time the next number we will take from 10,000. Now simply we will subtract 1 from 10,000. On that time 0 can't subtract 1, so it will take borrow from the previous one. So here we have this will become 9, then this will become again 9, and the last one will become 10. 10 minus 1 is 9, 999 as it is. So before 10,000 we have one more number which is 9,999. So 1, 2 number we identified. One more number, so we will subtract 1 from 9,999. So 9 minus 1 8, and this 999 will comes as it is. So we have 9,998. So 10,000, 9,999, 9,998 are the numbers that comes just before 10,001. Question number 3 is which is the smallest whole number? So the number system where it is started, that number is known as smallest number. So we know whole number starts with 0. So 0 is the smallest whole number. Question number 4 is, how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? What we need to identify? The total numbers of number that comes in between 32 and 53. So first of all we will write, okay, what we will write? The number which are coming in between 32 and 53. So whole numbers between 32 and 53 are, what they are? They are 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Then 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So question said how many they are? So we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many they are? They are total 20. So 20 whole numbers are there in between 32 and 53. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 4. Question number 5 is, write the successor of these 4 numbers. So what does the meaning of successor? Successor are the numbers that comes just immediate after the number. Just immediate after the number. So for getting the successor, what we were doing? Number plus 1. So here we have 2440701. In this we will simply add 1. So 2440701 plus 1 will gives us 207042. So what we have in the answer? The successor of 2440701 is 2440702. Okay, same we will do here. We have 100, 199. In this we will simply add 1. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 on the carry. 9 plus 1, 10, 1 on the carry. 1 plus 1, 2. 001 as it is. So its answer is 100200. C is 1099999. For getting the successor of this number, we will add 1 into this. So 9 plus 1, 10, 1 on the carry. 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 0 plus 1, 1. And this one will comes as it is. The last one also, we will add 1 into the given number, which is 2345670, which will gives us, after adding 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 as it is. So given, we got the successor of each number which is given by the question. Question number 6 is, write the predecessor of these 4 numbers. Predecessor means the number which just comes before the given number. Okay, the answer of predecessor comes just before the given number. It means for getting the predecessor, we are subtracting 1 from number. It means here we will subtract 1 from 94. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 9 as it is. So 93 is the predecessor of 94. Same, here also we will subtract 1 from 10,000. So here we have 9, here we have 9, here we have 9, and here we have 10. 10 minus 1, 9, and these 3 9s will come as it is. So 9,999 is the predecessor of 10,000. Then for the next one, same, 208090 will subtract 1. 9 will give 120, and here we have 8. 10 minus 1, 9, then 8, 0, 8, 0, 2 will come as it is. Same in the last one we will do 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 will subtract 1. So we have 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as it is. So the answer of these 4 are the predecessor of the given one. Okay. Question number 7 is, in each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line. Okay. It means that we have to first of all see the number line. Which number is left of other number. Okay. Which number is left of other number. So firstly we will see number line. On number line we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these things. But when you compare 3 and 5, on that time you can simply see the smaller one is the left of greater one. The smaller one is the left of greater one. So this procedure we will follow. I am writing here, smaller number is left of greater one. Okay. So this will help us. Greater number. And one more thing we have to identify, which is also write them with the appropriate sign, greater than or less than between them. So we have given number as 530 and 503. So who is a greater number? Yes. 530 is greater than 503. Then we have to write which number is left of other one. So firstly identify who is the smaller. This 503 is the smaller, so we will write 503 is left of 530. Okay. Firstly we will put the symbol and identify who is the smaller. Then a smaller number is left of greater number. Same we will do the 3 questions, which is B is 370 and 307. Okay. It means when we put symbol in between these two, which symbol we need to put? 370 is greater than 307. Okay, so who is the smaller? This 307 is the smaller number, so we will write 307 is left of 370. Now C part is 98765, which is having 5 digit. 56789, which is having 5 digit. Both are containing 5 digit. So when we are putting the symbol in between these two, so we have 98765 and 56789. This number is containing 9 in the beginning and this number is containing 5 in the beginning. It means 98765 is greater than 56789. So that we can write smaller one, which is 96789 is left of 98765 on the number line. Okay. And the last one we have 9830417. It has 7 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit. And 100230001. This one is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digit. Okay. So we know the number which have more digit is the greater one. It means 9830415 is less than 100230001. So simply we will write 9830415 is left of 100230001 on the number line. So here we completed question number 7 of exercise 2.1. Now question number 8 is, which of the following statements are true and which are false? Okay. So the first one, 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. First of all, think 0 is coming in the natural number. No, 0 is not coming in the natural number. It means it's directly answer. Its answer directly is a false. Okay, because natural numbers smallest one is 1. Then 400 is the predecessor of 399. 399. Predecessor. It means the number which comes just before the number. It means the predecessor of 399 will be the less than 399. Okay. But the 400 is the greater one. It means we can say it is false. Okay. Then 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes. 0 is the smallest whole number because whole number starts with 0. Then 600 is the successor of 599. Successor means the number which is coming just after the number. Okay. Is it 600 coming after 599? Yes. It means its answer is true. Okay. Then all natural numbers are whole number. All natural numbers are coming in the whole number series. Yes. It means its answer is true. Then all whole numbers are the natural number. Is it whole numbers are coming in the natural number? All are coming except 0. 0 is not a natural number. It means completely its answer is false. The predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. Predecessor means a number which is coming just before a number. Okay. This line is saying us that predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. So just think of the example of 10. Is it 10 have 2 digit? Yes. So the predecessor of 10 is 9, which is having 1 digit. It means the statement is false because it has the 2-digit number is having the predecessor of 1-digit number. Then 1 is the smallest whole number? No. The smallest whole number is 0. Then the natural number 1 has no predecessor. First of all, see, natural numbers starts with where? It starts from 1. It means it has no predecessor. It means this statement is true. Then the whole number 1 has no predecessor. First of all, see from where whole number starts. So it starts with 0 and after 0 we have 1. So 1 have predecessor or not? 1 have predecessor as a 0. It means this statement is false. Okay. Then the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. Is it 13 is coming in between 11 and 12? No. It is coming after 11, 12. You are counting 11, 12, 13. So 13 is coming after 11 and 12. Then the whole number 0 has no predecessor. Absolutely right, because whole number starts with 0 and before 0 we don't have any number. Last one is the successor of 2-digit number is always 2-digit number. Same as previous, here we will take the example. The 99 is having 2-digit. When we find out its successor is 100, which is having 3-digit. But line statement is telling the successor of 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. No, condition will change. So it is false. So here we completed our exercise 2.1 of class 6th. I hope that you understood it. If you like the video, please press on the like button and please subscribe my channel.